tornado warning. Golly!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, until 6:30 p.m.
Well, I was right about our Ogle County tornado warning today.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dixon,
Yeah, I know.
moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to
for
roofs,
northwestern Lee
windows,
County
and
and north
vehicles
central
will
Illinois
occur.
until 6:30
Tree
p.m.
damage is likely.
At 6:13 p.m. a
This
severe
dangerous
thunderstorm
storm will be
capable of
near
producing a
Dixon
tornado was
around
located near
6:20 p.m.
Dixon, moving
Take cover
northeast
now.
at 50 miles per hour.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy
I'm not at all
building.
surprised they issued that.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
This is on
protect
for
yourself
Bureau
from
County,
flying
didn't
debris.
Until 6:30 p.m.
Yep, Bureau County. Oh, crap.
Severe thunderstorm warning
Well, Dixon's off the air.
until 6:45 p.m. 6:13.
Dixon is off the air.
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dixon.